Okay.
No, don't prepare.
I'll just edit it.
Huh?
Edit it.
Oh, edit it. Okay. So coming to tracking code. Alright. Now tracking code from the AdWords perspective. Alright. Now there are two types of tracking codes that is involved in AdWords, Google AdWords. One is your Google conversion tracking code, and the other one is your Google Analytics tracking code. Now this Google conversion tracking code only applies or only comes into picture mainly for a CPA based account or a e-commerce portal, because when it comes to branding or brand awareness sort of campaign or a CPC based campaign, then we are not dealing with conversions. We are mainly dealing with lot of traffics while less of CPC. So there our main concern is around traffic. Okay, increase your traffic while reduce your CPC and try to increase the CTR. But this conversion tracking code comes into picture only when we are dealing with sales or leads. A conversion could be anything. A conversion could be a sale or lead or even registration,
Download.
sign up, download or something. Okay, sale usually goes to a e-commerce portal, lead goes to a service based website where you have to fill up a form. Registration and sign up and download, all this thing could be a part of your other conversion methods. Alright, now the question over here is how different is this Google AdWords conversion tracking code than to Google Analytics tracking code. Google AdWords conversion tracking code is only applicable to the AdWords interface. So you have to go to your AdWords interface and you have to go to tools, then conversion option, and you have to click on this to create a conversion tracking code only for your Google AdWords interface. Okay, but in case of Google Analytics tracking code, this is not relating only with Google AdWords. Google Analytics tracking code is for analyzing the behavior of your user through any of the digital marketing channels. So this Google Analytics tracking code, what you try to place it in all the pages of your website, that is mainly to track the performance of your website through any of the channels. It could be through SEO, it could be through PPC, social media, email marketing, referral channels. So here the Google Analytics tracking code is mainly placed in all the web pages. This is applied to all the web pages because it has to track the performance of the user on your site of any of the pages. But Google AdWords conversion tracking code, the code that you generate from AdWords interface, is only placed on the thank you page or confirmation page of a given desired results. For example, let's say we are working for Flipkart. So Flipkart, what happened? What are the sales? Mainly someone buying a product and then making a sales happening and then reaching the thank you page. That is, so if someone is reaching the thank you page, that is a conversion. Just not filling up the details or the credentials or just filling up the checkout page, that is not going to be a sale for you. If only after making the whole process of entering the customer details and then making the payment, and when they reach on the thank you page, that is considered as a sale. So whatever the tracking code that you generate with the help of Google AdWords interface, you have to paste it at the back end of the thank you page. But here in Google Analytics tracking code, you are applying the tracking code to all the pages, And how is this goes? Now here also we are tracking a goal. In case of Google Analytics also we are tracking a goal. But this goal is a mix of SEO plus PPC plus email and everything. Okay. So here also, for example, here also, let me give an example. Let's take the example of, give me a client.
Commerce.
Anything.
Amazon.
Okay. Let's take Amazon. In Amazon, what happens? People go to this website. Okay, they search for their required product or services, and after they find their required product or services, what they do is they go to the checkout page. Then they make the payment. And once they make the payment is successful, they are sent to a page called saying, for example, /thank you page. Thank you.html. So the moment any user reads this page, then the complete transaction has been successful. Okay. When we are dealing with Google AdWords conversion tracking code, the tag that you generate over here with the help of those options, what happens? The tag, you have to paste it on the thank you HTML. But in case of Google Analytics tracking code, you have to paste it in all the pages. Here also you paste it. Here also you paste it. Here also you cannot paste it on the payment gateway. Then you have to paste it here. So now there are two things over here. One is the normal tracking of the user, like through what pages is going. Code, you're only applying to the thank you page. So that if the person goes to Google and he types a keyword, he sees your ad here. The Amazon is shown here. He clicks on it. He comes to the website. He takes the necessary actions, and if he is leading to thank you HTML, then the AdWords interface will track one conversion for a given keyword. But here the user coming through any channel. Okay, first of all, they are being tracked because the tracking code is placed in all the pages. But for the goal to be emphasized, then they have to read this thank you HTML. And in this case, it will show you the goals for each of the channels like PPC, SEO, social media, referral, and all those things. It will show you goals.
Through which media the customer came to our website and
yeah. So it could be through any, because Google Ad is tracking the behavior of all the channels. Okay, they can come to your website directly through organic, through PPC, through email marketing, through any of the other channels. So here Google Ad is tracking the goals through all of these channels, but here it's only through PPC. So that is the difference between Google AdWords conversion tracking code to the normal Google Analytics tracking code. Is that clear? What is it about?
okay.